Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Sheikh.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question is regarding credit card hacking, which is like opening up credit cards to receive like rewards. They say like, let's say if you spend $5,000 within the first month, you get a certain amount of reward points, and you can use those reward points to travel and stuff like that. We know that using credit card as a necessity is halal, but what if you're using it, let's say, to use these rewards that are gifts from the companies, and what if they have an annual fee?
Now, the issue of credit card, the most authentic opinion is it's prohibited due to the fact that you have to pay sometimes an annual fee that is not logical. And they put this annual fee according to the level of your card, whether it's silver, gold, platinum, or diamond, or whatever. And the more benefits they give you, the higher the annual fee is, which is not realistic. It's not in accordance to the actual paperwork they have to go through to issue you such a credit card. Secondly, they have a clause that states that you must pay them interest because they're giving you a loan. Whenever you use your credit card, they're actually lending you $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, and they give you a grace period of 40 days. If you pay within time, then there's no harm. But if you're late, if you're imprisoned or admitted to hospital and could not pay on time, they'll charge you riba for that. And this is one of the major sins in Islam. Allah has waged war against those who deal in riba. So it's a scary thing. Therefore, it is not permissible to issue a credit card. And the alternative is having a debit card, where you charge your debit card with 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 euros. It's up to you. And you can use this money, which is yours, until you run out of cash, then you charge it again. And that's the Islamic alternative, and it's halal. Now, if a person says, well, I live in the States and I have to build my credit, and when I book airplane tickets or want to rent a car or get a hotel room, they don't accept debit card. And this is debatable, but hypothetically, assuming that is something that is required and needed for your day-to-day life, and there's great hardship, in this case, yes, it's permissible for you to take a credit card. I would highly advise that you charge it up front before using it. So instead of lending from them, you charge it with 10,000 euros or dollars, and you can use that. And whether the grace period is due or not, you already have the money with them, so there's no possibility of getting riba from you. And benefiting from the cashback on a credit card, this is permissible